All right, setting this one down now.
I have the next one. Where should I put it?
Stack it right here, carefully. Clearance on the right, and hold it right there. Bring that forklift around.
Start tipping the grapes into the hopper.
Cameras scan every batch carefully. Defective fruits are identified instantly. Only fresh grapes continue forward. Quality control ensures perfection.
Powerful water sprays intensify cleaning process.
Sugar levels are holding steady at 24 bricks.
Acidity is good, 7.5.
Initiating the cooling sequence now for fermentation prep. Temperature is stable. Biological reaction initiated.
Confirmed activation. The fermentation process has begun.
Cooling system engaged. Temperature holding steady at target. Conditions confirmed safe.
The pin levels are stable across all samples.
Confirmed. Data entry is complete for this batch.
The aromatic profile is stable, but the pH is slightly high.
We should adjust the acid addition immediately to compensate.
Actins. Wine is transferred through pipelines again. Liquid flows into storage systems. Filtering units begin up.
The purification process is stable and removing all particles.
Confirmed. The wine is visibly cleaner now. Sounds solid. How are the levels? Stable. 10.75 and 24.5. Looks perfectly balanced.
Agreed. Seal it up.
Production labels are updated regularly. Each barrel tracked digitally. Batch numbers are recorded in system. Operators input data carefully.
Wine inside barrels slowly evolves. Chemical balance changes naturally. Aroma becomes richer over time.
Sample 42B shows the best maturation characteristics. Agreed. The notes confirm it meets all criteria for approval.
The acidity is prominent, perhaps slightly unbalanced.
I agree, but the sweetness level is correct. We should...
Preparation for bottling begins quietly. Selected barrels are marked for use. Quality approval is confirmed again. Teams prepare
All data reviewed. Batches meet specifications. Signing the authorization now. Production green light confirmed.
Flavorful. Selected barrels are moved carefully. Forklifts transport them slowly. Movement is controlled and precise as workers...
Pipelines are connected to barrels. Wine flow systems are activated. Liquid begins moving forward. Stainless steel...
Advanced purification systems activate. Sensors verify cleanliness levels. The liquid is now perfect, and the final stage preparation begins.
Sticky labels are placed perfectly. Designs are aligned with precision. Products gain a professional appearance. And the brand identity is complete. Quality check complete on this section. Seals are secure.
Mark batch 7 clearing for release. Continue monitoring the labels.
Barcode scanning systems activate. Every carton is digitally recorded. Data enters inventory system.
Final packaging inspection begins. Teams verify carton strength. Labels are double-checked carefully. Quality assurance is strict.
Back it up, watch the pallet on the left. Clear on the right, bring it in.
Set the next pallet. Watch your spacing.
Clear on the left.
Straps are tight. All secure.
Massive vessels dominate the port. Cranes operate with heavy precision. Cargo containers are loaded onto ships. Global shipping is activated.
We need to adjust ballast slightly for the wine cargo.
Adjusting now. Stability confirmed.
Retail packaging preparation begins. Boxes are arranged for stores. Labels are checked again. Marketing materials are...
This one looks interesting.
Yeah, yes, I've heard good things about that vineyard.
Great, let's get it then.
We have the 2018 vintage ready for you this evening.
It smells wonderful, thank you.
To a wonderful year ahead.
Cheers to that. What a fantastic evening.
To a wonderful evening. The atmosphere here is simply unmatched.
I agree. And this wine complements the mood perfectly.